It's time for board math, everyone. Maya, let's work together, okay? Let's get this done. Everyone together, loud and proud. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Read it with me. What number is it? 46. How do we write a 46? 4 for the 10, a 6 for the 1, 46. What number comes next? 78, 79, 80. Remember, when we're finished with the 70s, we go into the 80s. Good. First grade work. 75, 80, 85. That's right. 8 for the 10, 5 for the 1s, 85. How many do you see? Not too many there to find. Let's go ahead and count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How do we write a 9? Circle and a line makes number 9. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Whoa! There's not two numbers, and that's a lot of dots. But look how they're arranged. This is a 10 frame. There's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We write that with a 3 for the 10, 4 for the 1s. Now, are they equal? No. Really close, but not equal. Which one's greater? Which one's bigger? 34. So let's eat it. How do we read it? 34 is greater than 33. Number sentences. 10 plus 0 equals. Remember that symbol plus. Mental math. Fingers. Or drawings. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus means to bring in more. How many more? 0. Bring in no more. So how many are all together? 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Remember, when you add 0, it doesn't change the number. Four minus 4 equals. Okay, mental math, fingers, or our pictures. Start with our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus means to take away. How many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Remember, if you take away the same number you started with, you're going to have nothing left. You're going to have 0 left. Two plus 5 equals. Remember what that symbol means. Mental math, fingers, or pictures. Start with our 2. 1, 2. Plus means we're going to bring more in. How many more? 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many all together now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Good. How many in the 10 frames? We got 2 10 frames here. Top one's full, that's 10. Bottom one's almost full. It's not 10 though, but if it's one less than 10, that makes it 9. So 10 and 9 is 19. How many more to make 20? Remember, 20 is 2 10s. So we have to have it all filled up. So we just need 1 more. Straight line down, 1 is fun. That's the way to write a 1. What shape is it? Here's a picture. Here's a real one. Look at it. It is a cylinder. Okay. How do you know? Well, we got to look. It's got two circle faces. Two circle faces. I want to start talking about it also. I'm sorry I haven't done this before, but it is three-dimensional. It is 3D. Okay. And then what can it do? With one circle face, it can slide. On its side, it can roll. And since it has two circle faces, they can stack. Great job, a cylinder. What shapes do you see? Okay, we've seen the rectangle, seen the squares. Up on top of that water tower, we talked about it being a cone. We talked about lots of different shapes. What else do we see? We see his squares and his rectangle for his scarf. What shape do you think a cactus might be? Or the pot that it's in? Cylinders. Cylinders, okay? Great job. What about the top of the bar stool? That's a circle. It's flat and it's round with no vertices. And word problem. We're going to read it 2 times. First time, listening for information. Second time, getting the important information. Annabelle picked 3 flowers. Davion picked 4 flowers. They put them in water. How many flowers did they pick in all? Okay. Annabelle picked 3 flowers. Picked means she's got them. She didn't give them away, she took them. Okay? Davion picked 4 flowers. Okay, again, he took them. They put them in water. That's what you got to do to keep them fresh. Let's keep them looking nice, everybody. How many flowers did they pick in all? How many flowers did they pick in all? When you hear in all, that's going to tell us the function we have to do is adding. We have to put them together. So let's get your mental math going. And now let's check. Okay, let's get a vase. Let's get some water in it, because that's what they did. They put it in water. Okay, how many did Annabelle pick? She picked 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. Davion picked 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. They put them in the water, so they're in the water, keeping them fresh, but that's not important for our word problem. How many flowers did they pick in all? So we want to know how many there were all together now. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because 3 plus 4 equals 7 flowers. Does that make sense, boys and girls? It does. And flowers make a day beautiful. That was an amazing job, you guys. I'm pretty sure I might have heard you guys. Maya, you too. Great job, everyone.